Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna discuss about makes, use of make. So please watch this video till the end, and I hope after watching this video you will get benefits. So without time delay, let's start the video. So how to use and where to use makes. So when some works done by someone else, so that times we often use makes. How? So when we sit in school, so when our teacher teach us, so sometimes our friends are not able to understand, so that times we can say our friends, don't worry, after teaching teachers, I will make you clear your doubts, I will make you understand. Like this we often say to our friend. And second things, when some guests come in our home, so that times we often say to our mother, fathers, go and make them sit. And sometimes when some small child do bad things, so that times we often say, don't do like this, otherwise I will make you beat by your mother, by your fathers, by your cousins, like this. And yeah, there are many ways we can use makes. When some small child are not able to write, so that times we say, I will make you write. When some small child are not able to read difficult words, so we often say, don't worry, have patience, I will make you read. That's how we can use makes. I hope so after watching this video your doubt will be cleared. The doubts that you have in your mind, that will be clear. And thanks for watching this video. And till the end, take care. Bye.